Our main business is trading agriculture equipment such as like tractor, PVC hose pipe, and animal oxyplough, and so on. And we are also supplying spare parts for engine. Today we arrived in India, and we are welcoming with CEO of company AGRA Engineering. Today we visit the factory, and we have discussed business issue. And today they show us all the range of product of spare parts for Andoria and other engines. So we are very happy, and we expect that we can establish a strong business relationship, and in our aim also to bring to our customer good product with good quality and with good price, and to make them satisfied and to make them engine running. So once again, in conclusion, we thanks a lot for warm welcoming to us in this factory at AGRA Engineering Company. Thank you.